Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about the topic that is cities. In this, basically, we are discussing this topic basically. So, defense basically. So, Ram Ayodhya basically people groups told that basically we can give you basically 7 days basically. That is in 90,000 basically. We can give you 7 days basically. Then he told that okay basically. Then rest of people basically started. Hindu group basically jumped. This group, Muslim group basically told this we can give you. Then 90 the target of India is basically 90,000 year plus 1 month. Like this basically they started basically. Like this basically they started. In this basically they told that basically this is the stuff basically. All death basically in the earth planet equal to set of words combination all medicine basically set of words combination. Like this basically they started giving the words basically. In this basically one of the person told that basically yeah, you are not getting job basically. Then one of the person told that yes basically yeah. So one of the person told that basically why don't you upload the resume basically in front of us basically. Then he told that okay basically. Then see basically I am uploading it. We want basically prove basically which kind of people basically they are here basically. This much knowledge basically you have, and then also basically they are not helping you. That means some police level issue basically is there basically, because these groups are basically creating problem in your life basically. So just see basically I am just uploading. Project manager software delivery head. See basically I have uploaded, पोस्ट कर दिया in Hindi basically. This what see basically. I uploaded in LinkedIn basically. See basically I only liked that basically. You can see that basically yes basically. See basically. So like this basically I have uploaded my resume to more than 5,000 groups basically. That is the entire software industry basically, which are basically still sitting at the Mumbai city basically, still sitting at the Bangalore city. Half of the people basically, rest of people basically are sitting at home basically, and they are working. So like this basically, just see basically what are the things going to happen. See basically, see the Jesus family also basically. See the Jesus Christ family. See basically this is the Jesus Christ family. So Jesus God family structure. See basically. You can see this structure. Yes, basically this is the structure. Na basically. This is the structure basically. See the structure basically. See the structure basically. See basically. I will do one thing. I will do one thing. I will take. We just need the structure basically. See basically. This is the structure basically. See basically. I will do one thing. I will take the image basically. See, basically this is the structure basically. That does not came basically properly because we have done the see basically. So see basically. This is the family structure basically. What we will do when we will open this. It's not opening. GIF image also basically is not opening. In Photoshop, in this basically it's opening basically. So we will zoom basically. See basically. This thing is there basically, and then basically we will have the name of the family. The name of the family, for that basically we have to save basically the file. See basically. Name basically is not also coming properly. Then let's again basically save that basically. See basically. Jesus Christ. That's why basically that Jesus Christ every time basically comes to India whenever basically this is going to happen. That is this one. That is this one. So in next video basically we are going to see basically little bit more about this basically.